Good day. I am Banny, and my job is to provide you with daily business and financial news. In Q1 2023, Apple's worldwide computer shipments fell 40.5% year-over-year, with a decline of 2.8 million devices shipped YoY. All major computer makers saw double-digit drops in shipments due to weaker demand and inventory issues. Apple's market share dropped from 8.6% to 7.2% year-over-year. This double-digit decline was expected, as Apple's CFO, Luca Maestri, had previously stated that Mac and iPad sales were expected to decline in the March quarter. Apple CEO Tim Cook also mentioned that the challenging macroeconomic environment affected iPhone, Mac, and Apple Watch sales. The COVID-driven demand is ending, but the return to pre-COVID patterns is expected to be temporary. The IDC report suggests that PC manufacturers will suffer in the near term, with growth expected to pick back up by year-end. However, weakened demand gives companies a chance to finish rejigging their plans and iron out supply chain kinks. This breathing space will be helpful to companies such as Apple. Apple report their quarterly earnings on May 4th. In other news, the New York Federal Reserve's monthly survey revealed that consumers are becoming increasingly pessimistic about inflation and their access to credit. Inflation has dropped from 6.6% in 2022 to 4.7% in 2023, but remains significantly higher than the Fed's 2% target inflation rate. Respondents expect prices to rise by 0.5% over the next year, translating to an annual gain of 4.7%, which runs contrary to the Fed's expectations. Consumers also anticipate that access to credit will become more difficult, with 58.2% reporting that credit is harder to get than it was a year ago. Additionally, respondents expect a rise in gas prices of 4.6% and an increase in food prices of 5.9%, which is down from the previous month. This data comes as the Fed considers whether to continue raising interest rates or pause at its next meeting in May. What do you think of Apple's Mac sales decline, as well as consumers' limited access to credit? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and have a great rest of your day.